a hat and you think, I've got hat earrings in, so I don't know if that's a sign or whether Tom's got all the other
No,
guys.
here's the sign. Here's a bigger sign. It's not often you come on a television show and you choose a song that at one point in time in history, two legends were sitting at a club in London, and one of them says, "Hey, write me a song," and because of powers that be, couldn't sing it. Fast forward years later, and you get up on stage and sing the song that was written for him.